When Grand Slam champ Andre Agassi in his book confessed to taking banned drugs, a lot of tennis fans were upset. Now you see, something like this would never happen in the gaming world. That's why it's a great idea to play a game of Virtua Tennis and play it with your idols.
I think it's been quite some time since we played any game on the Wii. So this week we shall pack up the PS3 and Xbox and put it aside for a little while and strap on the Wii remote, get on your feet and start warming up for a game of tennis. Published by Sega Games, Virtua Tennis 2009 is a game developed by Sumo Digital. For a quick game of tennis, you can just play an exhibition match between any of your favorite seeded players. There is also a tournament mode in which you can choose to play a series of matches on a knockout basis. The best part is you can play every format of the game, singles and doubles. A maximum of 4 players can play at a time in a doubles match. That must be great fun with everybody running around and colliding while swinging their Wii remotes. For those who are not big fans of the sport, there is also a segment of mini games, which is an innovative combination of arcade games with tennis. There are about 10 such games, but I just played the Alien Attack, in which there is no opponent. The balls just lunge at you from a box and you have to smash them back into the box to destroy the aliens. The game Pirate Wars works on the same funda, except that you have to evade the cannonballs that are fired from the pirate ships.
Three, 2, 1, go!
Blockbuster is my pick from the mini games because it reminds me a little of Arkanoid, the old 8-bit game. But any day I would rather play a quick match of tennis compared to these mini games. And like we have seen before in all the other games, there is a career mode which is called the World Tour in this game. In the World Tour, you must first create a player and customize his appearance. You can modify everything from his facial features to height and weight. You can also set his game style and choose the home ground. The career is divided into seasons with different tournaments. You can participate in the bigger tournaments only by playing practice matches, training and playing the mini games. This increases your ranking and also lets you buy stuff from the store. There is also an online option available that I intend to try very soon. In the VT Coach option, you have Tim Henman who coaches you to play the game. Which I feel is a total waste because the gaming controls are simple and can be picked up very easily. There are no buttons to be pressed. Only the analog on the nunchuck is used for moving the player on the court. The rest is about hitting and placing the ball, which will take a little coordination with the meter which appears just above the player.
Well, this is the first time I'm here at Blur, and I'm not a hardcore gamer, but I found this to be the perfect game to de-stress. And in the beginning I wasn't very sure about the way I need to maneuver with the joystick and yeah, since I'm not a gamer, I was like little bit nervous. But this seems to be the perfect game to de-stress, and in fact, I even won the match against Federer. Would you believe it?
Though the list of players that you can select from is small, justice is done to how the players look and their style. For instance, Maria Sharapova looks as gorgeous as she does in reality, and Nadal is seen sprinting faster than most other players. There is also not much of an option in the stadiums to pick from, but I just love the look of the French Open's clay court and Wimbledon's green pitch. For a Wii game, I found the graphics and presentation really good. Be it the match opening shots, the match itself, or even the players celebrating when they win a point or a tough rally. But a little more could have been done for the career mode. Overall, I think it's a great game for someone who has just begun gaming because of its simple gameplay. And tennis is such a compelling sport in itself that it makes Virtua Tennis 2009 a unique stress buster for working professionals too.
Alright, that's that on the show this week. Your comments as always welcome. Our email ID is feedback@ndtv-hindu.com. We'll see you next week.